Venice Beach isn't just one of the most popular beaches in Los Angeles, it's one of the most visited attractions in the entire city. Famous for its bohemian vibe, there's a lot more to do than sit out on the sand or splash around in the water. The Venice Beach Boardwalk is over a mile long with quirky shops, places to eat, and street vendors that draw in millions of tourists each year. At the outdoor gym known as Muscle Beach, you can either lift some weights or just people watch. The outrageous array of humanity that regularly appears on this beach can upstage even the best day on the sand and water, and the mix is irresistible. If you're feeling active, pick up a beach cruiser and ride along the bike path that runs parallel to the beach. It continues on for 9 miles and goes all the way down to Redondo Beach at the southern end of the city. The beach is located in the hippie community that's also called Venice Beach, and parking isn't easy. You may get lucky and find street parking within a few blocks of the beach, otherwise you'll have to look for one of the small lots around the neighborhood that often charge exorbitant prices. Try the Venice Beach lot at the end of Washington Street or one of the nearby paid parking lots off Rose Avenue, Bay Street, or Venice Boulevard. Venice Beach is best for people watching, bicycling, shopping, and walking.